This is a warning to all TikTok Shop affiliates. My account got restricted and almost got banned. And today I'm going to break down what happened and how you guys can avoid it moving forward. So as you guys can see right here, I got this warning saying, hey, your account is restricted from selling products until so-and-so date. And it actually was restricted for 24 hours. And you can see temporarily suspended. I was doing decent that day. I had estimated commissions of $70 and boom, my account went ghost mode. And people were like, hey, your links aren't showing, like what's going on? And it's because my account got temporarily suspended. And there was two things that I did wrong, and I want you guys to avoid this because it's costly. And to be honest, if I continue or if I keep doing this, then my account can get banned forever. And this is what you want to avoid all in all. So you do not want to get your TikTok Shop affiliate account banned because if it does, you can't make any money. So right there, as you can see, temporarily suspended. We're going to come over here and dive into my actual TikTok Shop Creator Center so you guys can see just, hey, I'm actually doing this. You guys can check me out. Yesterday, I had a phenomenal day, $472, which was awesome. Today, we're only at $30, but hey, can't complain. Making, basically daily passive income along with the other 10 businesses that I'm running. This is a fantastic opportunity. And if you guys are looking to jump on board, we have a free school community that has tons of free courses, free resources, and awesome people inside there to answer your questions. So make sure to join that community down below. We've got some awesome resources again, link in description. So if we come back over here, just love looking at like what's selling, and it's just kind of crazy. But if we scroll down to the very bottom, once you're in your TikTok Shop Creator Center, you have an account standing, and you can see that it says needs improvement. And this is where, yes, I guess I violated some terms and I need to improve. And you want this to say in good standing that there's nothing to improve upon. And every time that you get a violation, you get points docked. And if we click right here, it'll show you kind of the point system. So the violation score, I've got 13 points out of 24. So once you get to 24 points, that's where things kind of, it's not pretty. So it kind of breaks this down where it says needs improvement anywhere from 8, 11. It says e-com privileges suspended for 1 day, which that's what happened for me. 12 to 14 suspended for 2 days. And I'm not sure why I wasn't for 2 days. It was just 1 day. And I don't know if it's because they were spread out over time. But it kind of gives you a breakdown. And then unhealthy 21 to 23 suspended for 14 days. And then if you go over 24 points, your privileges are revoked. So I'm not trying to make this to scare you. I just wanted to educate you guys and let you guys know that you have to avoid what I did. So that's how the violation score works. And it's very important. And after 90 days, it says it will be cleared automatically. So basically, if you have violations like I have, 13 out of 24, like if I get more violations, like that's not pretty. So as you can see, I got these 2 video violations. So we've got a video violation that I'll click on right here. It says appeal not approved, appeal not approved. And if you come over here to the policy library, you guys can actually study this, and I would definitely recommend. There's certain promotion policies, misleading content, gambling and gamification, still frame content, redirecting traffic, unoriginal content, irrelevant product promotion. So there's a lot of people that are doing like AI videos. There's people that are stealing other people's content. Like there's so many things that people are doing that will get you banned, and you don't want to do that. There are ways around it, obviously, but just be careful, and I'll show you guys what I did wrong. So we'll come over here to this violation, and the appeal was not approved, and it said the reason was TikTok strives to create a shopping environment and that we have confidence in. Content shouldn't share or promote the sale of counterfeit products. So it was basically saying that I was selling counterfeit products, which is kind of interesting because it wasn't a counterfeit, but I guess it was a dupe. And I don't know, it was an iPhone charger. So you guys have probably seen them on TikTok, and they're iPhone chargers that basically look like an Apple iPhone charger. They're just way cheaper. And that's basically what I said is, hey, this iPhone charger is $50 and this one is $8 and you get 2 of them. So I definitely get the one on the TikTok shop, and that's what got removed. And if we come over here to my pictures, I'll show you guys right here. I think it's this one. And I said, finally back in stock. How is Apple charging $50 for an iPhone charger and TikTok is charging $8 for two? No wonder they sell out. And I was basically tagging Apple, iPhone. And so like I get it and I understand where they're coming from. It's not necessarily like a counterfeit product because there's so many companies that are selling iPhone chargers. But that got it removed. And so that was something that I'm like, okay, I just need to be a little bit less aggressive in terms of saying, hey, Apple sucks and this is way better and way cheaper. And look at, and I did do a comparison, like comparing the two of them where they did look basically identical. And I think that's what kind of flagged it. So that was one video that got violated and TikTok was not happy. And so they said, hey, the suggestions avoid promoting counterfeit products. This displayed unauthorized brand names and intentionally blurring or hiding any brand names on the logo. So I also revealed the Apple logo, which that could have done it as well. I showed their website. So, I mean, there's a lot of things that I probably, I was in on that gray area, on that line. And yeah, I got hit with a violation. I appealed it. It didn't go through, obviously. So that was the second one. The first one was this one. And the reason was unauthorized use of someone else's trademark. And it basically says the details unauthorized use of someone else's brand names or logos in product details. And I'll show you guys kind of what I did here. So we'll come over here to this one. And this is basically what it was. It says, wish I would have bought it was basically comparing the Dyson vacuum to the Wise vacuum. And I'll show you guys kind of what I did. And it's kind of funny, to be honest, but I took a screenshot and I put this on my TV and I said Dyson vacuums suck, and I put this on the TV and then I did a comparison breakdown. And to be honest, I still stand behind that. Is Dyson vacuums are overrated. They're $600 when you can buy a Wise vacuum for $100, and they do just as good, if not better. And so for me, this was just my honest opinion. And TikTok did not like that I used Dyson vacuum sucks. So using the term or that basically the text Dyson, that's what flagged it. So if I would have done this video without having Dyson, like if I would have just done this vacuum sucks, it probably would have been okay. But the fact that I have Dyson in there, it got flagged and basically for unauthorized trademark. And so that got removed, and boom, another point was deducted. I think it was 6 points. And so yeah, I appealed it and nothing happened. And those are the two violations that were not approved. And it says I need improvement. So this is something that you guys are going to want to go in, check out on your, if we scroll up to the TikTok Shop Creator Center, and you're going to scroll down to the very bottom and it says account standing. And you're going to click on that and you're going to learn what you need to be doing, what do you need to fix, because you want to stay out of that. I mean, where I'm at is a little sketchy. Like if I have 2 more bad videos, then my account could get banned. So I just need to be a little bit more careful over the next couple months. Get that down. After 90 days, it gets removed. And then right here, the policy library, it breaks it down, and you're going to want to study that. So those are 2 things that I did. Some counterfeit, I guess, dupes. You got to be a little careful with that. Using trademarks in the background like I did there, you don't want to do that. And that is why I got some violations. So I hope that this was insightful. I hope you guys learned something from my mistakes so that you guys avoid it. And that's what this channel is about. That's what our community and school is all about. It's completely free. You guys can check it out in the link down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is just me being transparent, open about how much I'm earning, the ups and the downs and the violations that I'm committing as well. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below what violations you've gotten so I can learn from you, or go in the community and let me know. And then also let me know what videos you want to see in the future. Again, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. It means the world, and we will see you in the next video.